check out this wall towel rack. Let's open it up, show you what it looks like. Everything's on the table, how to install. Just need a little assembly to go about it. Okay, so we got these pieces right here, these two bars. One side's got a screw you're gonna assemble. Do this twice. Fix up and down with screws. We got two different pieces and we're gonna put on these sets like so. Then you're going to take a bolt and you're going to lock in each of the pieces like so. And finish off the other bar. Take note, these have 2 holes, these have 4 holes, and you're going to wonder why you have these over here with the screw inside. They are for the bottom that you're going to unscrew. Find a spot on the wall, your bathroom, kitchen, shower room, anywhere that you want to hang this towel holder up that will hold a number of towels, as well as your washcloth, anything that has a little lanyard hook. These are the screws. You're going to put these gold little caps over the screw, then on the bracket, and then when you're completed, you're going to take the cap and put the cap over to hide the screw head. For our demonstration purposes only, we put some towels on, and I'm not the best towel person holder, but that is the towel rack holder. It can hold a number of towels, washcloths, and you name it out of the way. You want to hang a radio, a washcloth, whatever possible for the hooks. That is what it looks like. I hope you enjoy your towel rack wall holder. Whatever bathroom you put it in that matches your bathrooms. Enjoy your towel rack holder. I'm Fish, your how-to guy.